Hi, Helani. I see you have a question about some Flair's principles in an acid-base context. So let's take a look at that. So we're basically dealing with acetic acid that's found in vinegar as it reacts with calcium carbonate that's found in tap water spots. So let's go ahead and start by writing out our chemical equation here. So we'll start with calcium carbonate and then acetic acid. And that's going to give us carbon dioxide, water, and the calcium salt, which in this case is calcium acetate. And just take a quick second and balance the equation right there. And so basically this formula is the context for our entire problem with the Flair's principles. So taking a look at the first principle, which is falsifiability. So thinking of any situation or evidence that would prove this claim to be false. So the claim is just that the vinegar in the product will clean the spots. And so the falsifiability here is that the vinegar will not clean the spots. And so the first criteria for the Flair's principles of falsifiability is true. Taking a look at the second one, logic. So basically, any argument that's offered needs to be sound. And we have just shown chemically that there is a solution that would cause the vinegar in the product to break down the calcium carbonate in the tap water spots. And so the second requirement of logic is also met. The third one, replicability, basically is that any experiment that we do needs to be able to be repeated, in which case you could just simply try the product on tap water spots and see that because of this chemistry we've shown, the product works. And so anyone can replicate that. And so that third criteria is satisfied. And then the fourth and final of sufficiency basically is that any evidence that we offer needs to be adequate. We need to meet a high burden of evidence. And because of this chemical equation, we have done that, like the science backs this up. And so basically because of these criteria, we can reasonably say that this product will work because the science supports it, and you have demonstrated that via this chemical acid-base equation. So I hope that this was helpful to you, and if you have any further questions or comments, just leave them down below and I will take a look at them. Thank you.